Relax your mind and let your conscience be free. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. You know what? I never did show you how the lilies turned out. Well, here they go. Look at them. Beautiful. You know, I made the right decision by bringing them over here. Some sun, plenty of shade, water. Oh yeah. Fast forward, on this particular day, I was somewhat of a driving instructor. My apprentice, aka you know who, is in driver's ed. She needs 50 hours on the street. Yeah, I'm getting old. Later, I went to Menards, picked up these cheap, flimsy landscape edgers. They are worthless, they are useless. Don't waste your time, don't waste your money. Got some weed and feed too. At the time, I had weeds, but they weren't as bad as they are now. Problem with this stuff is if you use it in the summertime, it won't do you any good. My advice, if you use weed and feed, weed killer, whatever the case may be, start using it in March or April. If you wait until the summertime, it's just not going to help you. And we're back. At the beginning of the video, you saw me watering the grass. I did that to make it easier to dig this stuff up. You know, when the soil is compacted and hard, you're just going to overwork yourself if you have to dig. So do yourself a favor. Water the grass the day before. The day of will help, hours before you start digging. That way it won't be such a load on you. By the way, I'm not doing anything special, just digging and seeds. No peat moss, no starter fertilizer, no garden weasel, just seeds. And I'll live with the results. You know, I said all that, but I wish I had a tiller. Oh yeah, I really do. A tiller would have been great. This is a lot of work, to be honest with you. Got a lot of lumps. Glad I do have a couple bags of topsoil. I need it. Leveling isn't helping right now. I took this stance because it's late in the season. Who wants to go to the store and pick up tons of topsoil and peat moss? And I'm not doing it. Forget about it. I've done it year after year. No way. You guys should already know that I will be using this whole bag. I have a heavy hand. So I went through the first bag. You should know that I had 2 bags. I do it just in case and for the bird mafia. I almost forgot, you have to water. Grass seeds need water and sunlight. You can't get around it. No matter what you do, no matter how stubborn you are, no matter how cheap you are, you have to water your seeds. This is the best part. You should try it. It's so relaxing. We'll come back in 3 weeks. Check out all of our work. Notice I didn't say hard work, just our work. Hope for the best. Anyway, you know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.